Hello folks, it's Greg and Janet with Strange RV Tours, and today we have another blind soda taste test for you. Now, what's going to happen is in a few moments I'm going to bring Janet in. She's going to be blindfolded, and she'll have to taste today's soda and try to tell us, number one, if she likes the flavor, number two, what flavor she thinks it is, and whether the soda is good or not. She won't be able to use her eyesight, so all she'll have to use is her sense of smell and taste. I will not be blindfolded. I'll be tasting the soda also, and we'll tell you if we like it or not. And today's soda that we're going to be tasting is actually made by Totally Gross Sodas, I believe. But it's an Always Avery's, or always ask for Avery's Worm Ooze. Yeah. Now it looks orange, so I'm assuming, yeah, it says orange kiwi is the flavor, so we'll see how it tastes. On the label it says it's so disgusting, Totally Gross Soda. Ingredients: carbonated water, pure cane sugar, natural and artificial flavors, cola red, number 40, blue number 1, yellow number 5, and number 6, citric acid, and sodium benzoate. So pretty much what every strange soda we do has. Now we purchased this soda at Rocket Fizz for $2.70. That was quite a while ago, so it may have gone up some since then. But I was surprised. I could not find this on Amazon, so this may be a pretty tough one to find. But you can always go to Rocket Fizz. So anyhow, let me go get Janet and we'll get going. Okay, we're back. Can you see Miss Janet? This is my wife, Janet. No, you can't see nothing? You sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Yeah, it's like tickling my nose.
Okay. Alright. Do you want to feel the soda?
Oh, feel the soda. Feels like a soda bottle. Beer bottle, soda bottle. It's got a paper type plastic label. Okay, regular bottle. It's a bottle.
Okay, what do you think it is?
Soda.
Okay.
Or
All
beer.
right, let me open it up and pour it.
Well, it's not a Modelo.
No, I don't think so. Let me pour it. Oh, let me pour it. You can smell it.
It's not a Red Stripe. Okay. It's not a Salvador. What do you call it? Salvador?
Oh, be careful.
Oh,
be careful.
Wait,
it's
wait,
full.
wait. Oh, I didn't smell it.
Go ahead and smell it.
Wait. Can't smell nothing. It smells weird. Hold on. What is it? Wait. Exhale.
What does it smell like?
Oh, I had coffee, so I'm still smelling coffee. I can't. Mint.
Really?
Kind of fresh. Kind of a fresh. Like, I don't know. It's not bubbling very much. I know that smell. I don't know. Kind of fresh. Something.
Does it smell sweet or sour or nothing?
Lemon.
Lemon.
Kind of like, no, citrus, like, kind of like lime. Lemon lime. 7-Up.
Give it a taste and see if you change your mind.
What is that? That's freaking weird.
Let me smell it. Let me taste it too.
me get some more. Still tasting coffee. I should drink water.
It tastes like I expected it to taste.
Okay. Smells weird. I mean, it's like a 7-Up with a back taste of something.
Of what? Is it a flavor?
Pomegranate.
You think?
Pomegranate.
Wow, you're actually really close.
It's pomegranate.
Take your blindfold off and tell me if that looks like pomegranate.
No.
Alright. It is an orange kiwi flavored soda.
That's what it is, kiwi. I was like lemon lime. But it's got back taste that's like, what's it called?
Worm ooze.
And with the sediment at the bottom. This one out of date again?
That's not sediment. Is it out of
Orange
date? I don't know
kiwi.
if it's out of date. It'd be funny if it was. Well, I'm lucky because I don't see a date on it, so maybe it never goes out of date.
Orange kiwi.
So what would you rate your orange kiwi soda from 1 to 5? Or a zero if it's just undrinkable?
It's strange. You get the orange when you first get it, and then it has that weird kiwi afterwards. That's why I thought it was like pomegranate. 1 to 5, 0 to 5?
0 to 5, 1 to 5, yeah.
And kind of minty. And that's... That's weird. I don't like that after. I'll give it a 2.5.
2.5.
Yeah.
So just average, completely average, basically.
I might even say less than that.
It's up to you.
What is it? Does it say artificial flavors? Because this got something awfully odd.
You know, I don't remember here. Pure cane, natural, and artificial.
Yeah. I'll give it a 2. The more I drink it, the more I don't like it. It's got...
I would give it a 4.
You like it?
I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. I really do. I'm surprised.
That's an Avery, too.
I noticed that the kiwi, it's like a 50-50 split of
Orange
the
kiwi.
2 flavors. Because the orange flavor, I don't taste it as much as I should if it was a regular just orange soda.
Right.
But the kiwi, I like that taste, that aftertaste. It's like refreshing too. I think coffee's messed you up. I like it.
I've drank enough of it. I drink coffee all the time.
Yeah, it's good. I like it.
I knew it's like a citrus, but it's got like a... That is the artificial.
Okay.
I don't like it.
So,
I'll give it a 2.
So the official score between us is a 2 and a 4, which is a 3.
So you'll give it a 3?
Yeah, so 3 total. So.
It looks kind of... I don't know. Kind of like a flat beer.
Maybe that's why I like it.
A hazy IPA. That's what it looks like, huh?
Yeah, a little bit. Okay, folks, we hope that you enjoyed this blind soda taste test.
Worm ooze.
Worm Ooze, yes.
Yeah. And always Avery, usually, they have these stupid names and it tastes really good. Well, it tastes good to him. It tastes like ooze to me.
Until next time, folks, have a great day.
Strange RV tours will take you places with Greg and Janet's smiling faces. You might see a crazy flavored soda review or some tips to fit your RV too. So come along, won't you join us, friend, as we discover what's around the bend. Just sit right back in your easy chair. Strange RV Tours is on the air. Strange RV Tours is on